Yo, what's up guys? We're back. I just literally got off work. We are going to Melody Toyota and we're gonna be doing my recall. So I really did not want to be doing this recall whatsoever. I'm on my way up to San Bruno. There's a lot of other dealerships in the area, but the thing is, this recall and being a Toyota car and them not having enough experience or something, for some reason in FRSs, the recall's been failing after the recall's been done, when there's pretty much like nothing actually wrong before. It was just, you know, a safety hazard obviously, but you know, it actually became more risky to do the recall than it did to not do the recall. So I mean, I didn't really want to do it, but we actually have an issue with my car right now. Apollo's throwout bearing is going bad. So that's a very expensive fix that I don't really want to pay for. So I decided just to suck it up, go get the recall done, since they're gonna have the motor pulled out of the chassis anyways. The throwout bearing is gonna be exposed. So they're just, all I have to do is really buy the part. Hopefully I don't have to pay anything at all in labor just for the part. I'm gonna get the spark plugs redone as well. But on my way right now, hoping to get there by 5. It's 4:06 right now. Wouldn't be the Bay Area without traffic. It's not that bad. Whatever, 45 minutes to go. Over these mountains is the beach. Really nice and foresty. Great roads because they're nice and small and they're twisties. Just gotta be careful because you can go off the side. Hot dog house. I love this house. That house. So freaking tight. It's like a hot dog house. I think that's like my favorite thing to look at when I go on 280 is that little hot dog house. I don't know if like a sculpture artist, that I don't know what it is. I don't know if that's who lives there or someone built that for like just like a really rich person or whatever. It's awesome. All right guys, we're almost there. One good thing to note, that since it is a recall, I'm gonna have a loaner car available to me. I don't know which car it is. Hopefully it's like another FRS or an 86. I highly doubt that though. But I mean, it's always nice to be hopeful. Just as long as they don't put me in something like a Prius or something, I guess I'll be fine. You take what you can get. It's a free car, I guess. All right, guys, we're here at Melody Toyota. Time to go inside, drop off Apollo to the doctor, and get in my loaner car. Hopefully it's not a Prius. And fingers crossed she's okay at the end of this surgery.
Several days later.
Yo, what's up guys? We're back. It's about like a week and a little bit later. Recall's all done. So now I'm picking it up. Well, I just picked up the keys. Now I gotta find the car. But yeah, hopefully it's around here somewhere. Sorry for not informing you guys. I didn't like pick up the vlogs because I was supposed to get a loaner car, but they don't offer loaner cars at Melody Toyota. They offer rental cars, but since I'm not 21, the rental company couldn't give me a car. They don't rent out to people that are under 21. So, I mean, it's not against Melody Toyota. It's just, it's the rental car thing, whatever. We have one problem though. I can't find this car. I kind of went around the whole lot. I still cannot find my car. It's crazy. Can't wait to drive her though. Oh my gosh, dude. It's been like, I dropped her off last Tuesday. It's Friday. So it took a little bit. Holy shit. Oh, I found her. She's back. Whoa, who drove my car? Someone short? First things first. Oh my. Oh shit. We're back. Let's go, baby. It feels so good to be back in my car right now, dude. You have no clue how good it feels to be back in my car. Because I'll elaborate a little bit more, but right now I need to start her up. She's due. She needs a cold start. Let's go, baby! Come on! Oh my gosh. It's so good. I missed her. I missed you, Apollo, baby girl. I appreciate the other car very much, but this car is where I belong. All right, you guys, we're setting off finally. It was actually parked in the back, so I had to go through the little workshop and stuff like that. Not sure if I was allowed to, but I mean, none of the fences were open, so I did anyways. One cool thing that we just basically timed this perfectly. As long as this goes good, I killed 3 birds with 1 stone. Actually, more than 3 birds, because I got obviously the recall done. I got the coolant, the engine oil, the oil filter, which is part of engine oil because I was gonna change it regardless. Clutch fluid, throwout bearing, and spark plugs. So that's 6 things. 3, 6. You know how it goes, math and stuff. But let's go ahead and get out of here. I'm so psyched to get my car. Hopefully, absolutely, hopefully nothing goes wrong. Let's go ahead and go home. It's gonna be a long ride back. And I gotta get gas, 'cause I'm about to run out. And I'm on stock tune, so I'm not on E85. All right, guys, we are on mile number 12. From San Bruno, my house is probably a good somewhere in between 40 to 50 miles from that Toyota dealership. So it's a good testing point to see if it makes it home. Then they've done something right to a degree. I know for a fact that there's been a couple people that actually have made videos. I don't really know what their channel is. I'll just go ahead and put it up like right here or some shit. You can go ahead and watch that. I think theirs only went a few miles before they started hearing some knocking, some rod knock, and their motor was blown. So far it's surpassed what they've been able to do, because he didn't even get home. He didn't even get home before he had to turn around and bring it back to the dealership. But he got a whole brand new short block because of it. It's good, but not good, because I know some other people have had their motors blown. It's all blown up. They use like misfire or like engine codes, the racing engine codes recently. So they just said no thanks. They tried to not be able to cover it. Let's just go ahead and make our way home. Hopefully we can get there. Gotta go grab some gas still. So I'll update you when we're going to get some gas. All right, guys, we're making a stop real quick in Los Altos because I am literally on E. Have to make a quick stop. Gonna go to the Chevron right here. It is $4.29 per gallon, dude. They literally treat it like it's gold. It kind of is, in a way. It is gold, but it's only 91, so it's not that good of gold. It's like that 14 karat gold. 93 would be a little bit better, but you know, California doesn't get no 93, so yeah, it's unfortunate. All right, boys, quick stop over. I did not want to spend a penny more over there. I put like 15 bucks in. I guess maybe way more than I need to get home. I probably should only put like 10 bucks in. Yeah, Los Altos is a very expensive area just to be in, let alone to live. It's one of the definitely more prestigious areas in the Bay Area. So, you know, it's a really great area. It looks really cool, but I mean, and it's very fancy, but there's really, really nice houses. Then there's houses that look like mine that are just in a nice area that cost double what mine would cost, maybe even more than that. All right, guys, it's been about a week and a half since I got my car back from the recall. It's got about 500 miles on it right now, and it's running perfectly so far. So right now I'm very happy with it, and seems like it's going, you know, they did it correctly. Keeping my fingers crossed that they did 100%. So right now, from what I could say, is Melody Toyota did take care of me. The service advisor, Brandon Chang, was the guy who took care of me. He didn't charge me for any labor for the spark plugs, as they were going to take them out regardless, nor did he charge me any labor for the throwout bearing that I did. So that's actually pretty cool. I didn't know if they were going to charge me for that or not, so it's definitely a good thing to note that they didn't charge me for that. And also, if you are a part of the NorCal Bay Area 86 page on Facebook, he gives out $25 gift cards for gas. It's basically just like getting $25 off, which is freaking awesome. I didn't even know he did that. So that's pretty awesome. I wasn't able to get a rental car, but that's just because I'm not 21 yet. So it really has nothing to do with necessarily the dealership. I do wish they had just like regular loaner cars, but just due to their location and everything, they were unable to have some. If I did go back with an adult that technically rented it for me that was over 21, then I would have been able to. I definitely recommend going to them. At the very least, the service side is very good. And before even going there, I did my research, and a couple people said to go there because their quality of the work itself is pretty good. So right now, from what I could say, I could recommend them for sure. We'll see when I update at 1,000 miles or 2,000 miles. Other than that, see you later, guys.